What's that? What is that?
A treasure hunt.
It's a treasure hunt?
Uh-huh.
Whose is it?
Yours.
Mine? Do you like it? Yeah? What would you do with it if you had it? Would you play with it, or, yeah? You want to play with it? Do you do? How many other cars you got at Papa's?
Awesome.
You want to show me? Want to point them out? Show them to me. Show me all Papa's cars you got.
That is right.
All of them.
One.
Yeah. What are all of these?
Look like you're going hard at 40.
You what?
Where's the treasure hunt you're already playing with? You remember? No, where's the other one? The motorcycle.
Is it?
In the living room? Can you find it?
Yep.
Let's go see if we can find the treasure hunt you already got.
You're aging like that.
Go find it.
Let's go find it. You like playing with Papa's Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like it.
What are all of them?
Yours.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Let's see. Is it down in here?
Nope.
No?
Just my tractor.
Just your tractor? Is it over here? Oh, look. There's a bunch more there. Look at all them buried under there. Look, I see fire trucks. I see a Hess truck. Well, look at this. You even got them back here.
Yeah.
Well, look at them all.
I come back there.
Who put them back there?
Me did. I did.
You find the treasure hunt one yet? Where is it? I see it. You ain't found it yet? You remember what one it is? What color was it?
Blue. It's a blue.
What's this one right here? Is that it? That one right there?
Yeah, it's blue.
There it is. There's the treasure hunt.
Yeah. You found it.
She got herself another treasure hunt, Mammy. Show Mammy what you got for a treasure hunt. Yeah, cool. So you want to open the other one up?
Yep.
All right, well, go ahead. Open it up. You can have it. There you go, Bill. You see where that one there went? You know where that one come from?
Yeah.
That come from Australia. Bill Yalen sent it to Papa.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell him thank you? Say thank you, Bill. Come here, Papa. I'll help you with it.
Oh, I don't have enough time to do it now.
I'll get it started for you, okay? There you go. It started. Now grab right hold it right here and rip it right open. Grab right on that corner. Oh, there you go. There you go. You're going to say, tell Bill, hey, right here, look at Bill. Look over here at Bill. Say, thanks, Bill. There you go, Bill Yellen. She's going to enjoy that, baby. Well, here, come get your other treasure, huh? There you go, honey. Have fun.